Happy Christmas party night. It is December.
What?
What day is it?
I don't know.
It's late in December. So usually we always come to Christmas parties way earlier.
It's not late in December, it's
middle of December. Okay, but usually we come way earlier, but it is later out and it's cold tonight. So, we didn't film walking in because we did get here a little earlier and I wanted to wait to film the evening. But when you walk in, you get an ornament this year instead of a cookie. So in the past, it was like a giant sugar cookie.
The cookies were nasty anyway, so it's fine.
Yes. And then you also pick up a map, and at the end of the night, there's like a print that you will get on your way out, which they talk about in the map. So people get out.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Yeah. Yeah.
You can show them.
Yeah. So yeah, I can show you guys what's in the map. We're gonna plan on doing the 11 o'clock parade, and we're meeting everyone to do the 7:40 castle show. But right now we're getting in line for Pooh, because I always start a Christmas party meeting Pooh.
Yes.
It has to be that way. So let's go get in line for Pooh. Okay, it's super dark, but I just wanted to show you. So we are pretty much right by the Cheshire Cafe. The sign's right there. So we're pretty far back already to meet Pooh and Friends. But that I was expecting it. The party is sold out. So, and it is a Friday night. I know. So they did come out early. What time is it?
6:42.
6:42. They probably came out like 10 minutes ago. So they came out at 6:30.
You keep trying to wipe that off.
Perfect.
Very good.
Look right over here at Butter Pass.
1, 2, 3. Very nice. Very good.
And right over here at me. Perfect. Thank you so much. Yes, have a great rest. That meet and greet was one of the best I've ever had with Pooh and Tigger and Eeyore. They just were like so into it, and they actually let you have time to take pictures. Oh, can we not go this way? We need to get in front of the castle.
Can we go? Oh, we have to go back here.
Oh, yeah. Okay, we have to go back around.
Yeah, they were very. Yeah. Tigger was like cracked out of his mind. He was nuts.
Yeah,
it
was super fun.
Like he literally like bear hugged me and started like jumping up and down while hugging me. I like almost fell over.
Yeah, it was super fun. We had the best meet and greet with Pooh.
Yeah.
We literally had the best time. How was yours?
Fantastic. Who did you go see? Aladdin and Abu.
Did you get your pictures?
Yeah, they're on the app.
They're on the app?
Yeah, I saw yours. Abu gave me a big hug, and then Aladdin said we could double date.
Let me see the pictures.
You
Get
want
them
red
up.
velvet donut?
Let's see what it looks like.
Well, that's half of it. I ate the other half.
Nice. Are you excited? We're at the 7:40 show. Like you want.
The one thing I wanted to do.
Are you meeting anyone else?
Yes, I would like to meet Belle
Oh yeah, Belle. We should try to do her together.
and Jack Sparrow.
Oh yeah, we could do those together because you're way better at talking to people than me. So I just want to be there for the picture, but I want to talk to them.
That's fine.
Welcome to Mickey's Very Merry Christmas Party!
And our most merriest celebration!
Yes, because they have a ride overlay.
Yep.
They're one of 3. Well, I guess, but do you count the teacups as a ride overlay when it's really just like?
That's what they say it is.
Okay, so then is there 4?
No, it's that and
The cars
Mountain
and the
cars.
Jingle Cruise.
Oh, Jingle Cruise doesn't count for a ride overlay because it's a whole.
Oh, okay, I understand.
Yeah.
I think it says 15 minutes. It's not bad.
Are you excited for the cars?
I am.
Yeah. Pretty like. Are you ready?
Got some dog tape.
I'll try. I won't. I'll drive like I do at home.
No, you cannot.
Kayla's being slow. Kayla's too slow.
There's on the way.
Did you guys do good?
No.
You did? Why not?
Eddie does know how to vlog.
Did you get some of it?
What?
Did you get some of it?
Yeah. And we're back. So, this treat spot in Tomorrowland is cider and sugar cookies, I want to say. Oh,
They're really
they
doughy ones.
are.
Those are light.
Oh, usually they don't give those out.
They're like shots.
Look at the sugar cookies.
I know, they look good. It's like really hot.
Yeah.
Smell.
Yeah.
It smells like cider. Like
Yeah. What kind of cider is it? Figure it out. What kind of cider is it? She was like pouring a bunch of them.
Thank you. Could we do one more
Hi.
of each?
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you so much. I'll take those cookies.
I have hot chocolate. Is it good?
Did you sit on my cookie?
Oh, I didn't sit on your cookie.
Okay, yeah. It's like juice. Apple juice.
Pretty much, yeah.
Yeah.
Like the cider? It was okay. It was cold. It was.
Cookies.
What kind of cookies did you get? Oh, you didn't get cookies?
Yeah, I got them.
Oh, Jima.
They're so good. They're so soft.
What's with them giving them in plastic wraps this year?
You can't just hand it to people now. That's gross.
That's it too. I feel like for the treats they could give you like a little bit more.
Keep going back.
A little bit more. We are heading to meet Belle in her Christmas outfit we've never done before. It'll be a first.
By her cottage.
So, Belle is meeting back by Enchanted Tales with Belle in her cottage.
I don't know if I've ever met Belle.
I've never met her.
I've met her over there.
Over where?
By Gaston's. That's where she was last
Oh,
time.
yes.
That's where she used to
But she's not in her Christmas outfit.
be. When she's over there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I've never, like, have you ever met her in her maroon outfit?
No, but we've met her at the Christmas party before.
We have, but she's usually
was
just in,
over
like, yellow.
Oh, I don't remember what she was wearing. But yeah.
Let's meet her. It is time. Oh, do we have another one?
Floors and 5 too. We'll be proposing all kinds of beautiful
I started the recording.
songs.
Hello there. You all look wonderful tonight. You're magical. Thank you very much. I love how you're all coordinating today, too. I was talking to Beast. Well, you know, he still has his very handsome royal blue suit, but I was thinking, what if we made him an evergreen suit? Different colors, too, yes? I think so, too. And maybe he can have some holly on his little ascot, too. I have my Christmas roses, so he can have hollies, too. And then it'll be perfect. I know how much Angelique loves holly, but she doesn't like mixing bells and holly, so I had to have the roses instead, too. She's very clever. We can make this perfect, everyone.
So that was fun. Not as fun as Pooh.
No.
But she's a very good Belle. She
was very good.
Yeah, she was one of the best Bells I've ever had. So I know the only other character we really want to do is Jack.
Yes.
Do we have time to do Jack before fireworks?
It's 9 o'clock. So maybe.
Okay.
What time?
Fireworks are at 10.
Oh. Yeah,
Okay, if you really want to meet a character at a Christmas party, you can always go to Jack Sparrow. Jack Sparrow.
See, it'd be really hard to understand because sometimes they get like way into the accent that you like don't even know what he's saying. That's how he was last time. He got, like,
Yes,
super
it was
into
so,
it.
yes.
I had like no idea what he was saying because he was trying too hard to sound like
Yeah,
Johnny.
yeah. He's right there. We only have to wait for 3 groups. We could try Moana after, if there's time.
Yeah.
Is she like right in this side tiki room?
She's like, yeah.
Okay.
Here's some crew.
We are trying Moana. She's in the tiki room. Meet Moana. Yeah. I feel like if the pictures are inside, it's not good, right? No, but she's supposed to be outside. Oh, she's outside? Yeah, like in this line.
Jack about what?
I told him. I told Jack that we were getting married in the Caribbean on a ship. Yeah. And he said that. What did he say?
He said that's good. What kind of rum is going to be there?
Yeah, he asked about the rum. Yeah. And I said we're going to have all kinds of rum.
Black rum, white rum, spice rum. He named them all.
Yes.
He was very quiet.
He was very quiet.
Yeah. But I mean, his whole picture that took probably like 5 minutes.
Yeah. And now we're in line for Moana. She must be cold. Oh, she does. Yeah. Just do them first. She doesn't even look like Moana. She's like warm. So I didn't get my interaction on there, but she asked me if Hey was eating my onesie because it's all like treats. And I said no, but my animals have. And I should have asked about Pua, but I didn't.
I was going to, but she started talking to you.
Yeah, she didn't really acknowledge you.
Yeah, I was just kind of there.
Yeah. Yeah. So it's 9:30, so we gotta go try to head for firework viewing because a few Christmas parties ago, Main Street firework viewing actually filled up and they didn't allow anyone else on the street.
Look, I'm very serious in this picture. I didn't know where we
Oh, here we go.
Here it is, here it is. Have you ever stayed for the 11 o'clock? So we are waiting for the 11 o'clock parade, and I think that'll be it then for the night. But we did a lot because we did Pooh. We met Pooh and Belle and Jack and Moana, and we did the Speedway, and we watched the fireworks, and we watched the castle show. Yeah.
Yep. Staying awake. Hey, I worked all day.
Yeah. Well, I think it's harder to stay up for than HHN, don't you think? Because
Yeah,
HHN, you're like hot. Like here, you're cold and like you want to be in bed.
Yeah. Well, and in HHN, you're like constantly moving because you're just sitting.
It's waiting, yeah. Fair enough. Yeah. Yeah, so we have about like 30 minutes till the parade comes, and that'll be it.
I don't got no PJs.
It's my favorite time of year. You can't be home sweet home for the holidays.